Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lettuce crunchy. First, carefully separate the individual leaves from the head of lettuce. Next, give each leaf a good rinse under cool, flowing water to remove any dirt or debris. It is important to be gentle during this step to avoid bruising the delicate leaves. Also, make sure to discard any leaves that appear wilted or have brown spots, as they will not become crisp. After washing, the key to crispness is a refreshing ice water bath. Place all your clean lettuce leaves into a large bowl filled with very cold water. Adding a handful of ice cubes will help maintain that crucial low temperature. Let the lettuce soak for a minimum of 15 minutes, or up to 30 minutes for extra crispness. This process rehydrates the cells, making them firm and crunchy. Once your lettuce has soaked, drying it properly is just as vital as the soak itself. Excess water will make your lettuce soggy, not crisp. You can gently pat the leaves dry with a clean paper towel, being careful not to crush them. For the best results, use a salad spinner. It removes nearly all surface moisture in just a few spins, ensuring your lettuce is perfectly ready. To keep your lettuce crunchy for days, proper storage is essential. After drying, place the leaves in an airtight container. Line the bottom with a dry paper towel to absorb any residual moisture, which is the enemy of crispness. You can also place another paper towel on top. Store this in the crisper drawer of your refrigerator, and your lettuce should remain wonderfully crisp for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.